Welcome to the introduction video to Additive Manufacturing Guideline. This guide that has been developed within the iPRODUCE project will address the concept of additive manufacturing and its environmental benefits. First, we will address the concept of additive manufacturing and its environmental benefits. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process of creating physical objects from digital designs by adding layer upon layer of material until the final shape is achieved. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which involve subtracting or shaping material to create the final product, additive manufacturing builds up the object layer by layer, using materials such as plastics, metals, ceramics, and even living cells. Additive manufacturing allows for greater flexibility and customization in design, faster prototyping, and reduced waste compared to traditional manufacturing techniques. Additive manufacturing printing has several environmental benefits compared to traditional manufacturing methods. We can mention among others: reduced material waste. The objects is built layer by layer, meaning that only the necessary amount of material is used to create the object. Being more energy efficient. Traditional manufacturing often involves heating, shaping, and cutting raw materials, requiring a significant amount of energy. Reduced transportation emissions. It allows objects to be produced on site, eliminating the need to transport goods from a manufacturing facility to the end user. Contribute to circular economy. Additive manufacturing can facilitate the design of products that are easier to disassemble and recycle. Reduced water usage. Additive manufacturing eliminates the need for coolant and lubricant, reducing water usage and potential contamination. We will now detail the objectives of this guide. By reading carefully these guidelines, you will be able to explain what is additive manufacturing and understand the process step by step. To understand the pros and cons of additive manufacturing. To have an overview of all the additive manufacturing processes. To choose the right manufacturing process for your project. To reach the above-mentioned objectives, the guide is structured as follows. 1. General presentation of additive manufacturing. 2. Benefits and opportunities of additive manufacturing. 3. Examples of software that can be used in the 3D creation process. 4. Additive manufacturing process. 5. Conclusion and global overview. Now that you have understood what additive manufacturing is and the content of these guidelines, you must consider the way to use it and put it into practice. First of all, read the document to understand how additive manufacturing works. Secondly, once you have understand the basics, read about each of the additive manufacturing process that is presented. You will understand their pros and cons and what they are the most suitable for. After that, you will be able to identify the most suitable process for your project. Then, download the appropriated software to design your project. Finally, go further by exploring the links suggested in each session of the presentation. We hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for your attention.